What is up, our YouTube viewers? You want to take a look and see what the Matson.Outdoors have found? Good evening, YouTube viewers. It's not even evening. Actually, it is first thing in the morning here for the Matson.Outdoors. We are back at the location that we were at yesterday. I know I filled you guys in, said my father-in-law almost had a tarp in, but that was the only action that we ended up having for us today, so we kind of stopped filming. But we came out here first thing this morning, and actually same location. Right out here we have a little shark in the area. We still believe it's coming up here. It's actually right here. It's right up front. It's right up front. Right up front. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Right here. There's a fin right here on top of the surface of the water. It is a shark. It is confirmed a shark. Actually, wait a second. That's not a shark. That's a stingray. Eagle ray. It's an eagle ray. I think. I believe. I'm pretty sure I thought I just saw spots on it. What looks might be shark fins is probably the wings of, it's the wings of the eagle ray, sweetie. But anyways, we came here first thing this morning because that is the best time to go fishing, guys. So we are giving it a try. How about you cut the end of your mullet off real quick and make it bleed a little bit? Hang on, guys. I am going to put the phone down for a few seconds and try to get a fish wounded here to put up a little struggle to be a little bit more appetizing. Okay, viewers, we're back on. It was confirmed a shark. So I did poke a hole in our little finger mullet to get it bleeding a little bit and make it a little bit more appetizing for the shark. I don't know if it's a bull shark or a little sandbar shark. We'll find out once we have it. Now, in order to shark fish, you do have to have your shark license. You apply for it, especially if you're here in Florida. It is free. You take a little class, answer questions, and you're good for the year. That's exactly what we have here. I think that's a dolphin over that way. No. Yeah. So we're gonna see, and hopefully we didn't scare it away and it'll come back and get our wounded fish. So I'll pick the camera back up if we are on.
The next day.
What is up, our YouTube viewers? You want to take a look and see what the Matson.Outdoors have found?
Dad found it.
This, ladies and gentlemen, is a newly hatched Florida gopher tortoise. These are an endangered and also protected species. Look how cute this little guy is. Now, as you can see, this little guy is on a road and we are driving by. So
can we come back?
we're gonna try to redirect him to a safer location so this little guy does not get squished.
What's this go?
Okay, YouTube viewers, also if you ever come across these here in Florida on the beach, or I'm not sure how many other islands that these are on, but these little purple berries come from this tree. And now these are called sea grapes, and they are perfectly safe and edible to eat. They are super juicy with a large pit that is in the middle of it. But if you guys ever get a chance to, give it a try. But yeah, it's on one of these trees. They kind of grow like grapes in a way on a vine. Let me see if I can show you one as an example. Now down here in Florida, they used to actually have a facility that would make jam out of these things. But the problem with these sea grapes, and compared to regular grapes, they don't ripen all at once. They ripen individually, which made production for these things not, you know, affordable or successful or profitable. So this right here is a vine that they would grow on. And down here you can see them right here. So you see how you have a lot of green and then you got some purples. So it was very costly of them to pay workers and stuff to just go by and pick out little bits and pieces of purple ones and stuff. But that's what it is, just like that. Pretty cool. Okay, we are here at the inlet. We are gonna hit up the beach and start fishing. Okay, YouTube viewers of the Matson.Outdoors YouTube channel, we are on the beach. The boys are having a blast, splish splashing around in the waves. Got my husband here, my brother-in-law, and my father-in-law. Whoops, don't look at that, guys. Anyways, missed it just a little bit ago before I could even get the phone set up. My husband had a shark on, but of course he didn't have a wire leader on. I'm thinking it's because he was too lazy to switch it out. But anyways, it was a 30-pound test and the shark went through it with no problem. So he's got a leader on this time and we're gonna see if he can land a shark. We have the kids close to shore right here. That way they don't go out any further and become shark bait themselves, keeping a good close eye on them. So fingers crossed, guys, we'll be able to land something for you and give you a nice good show. We'll show you how to properly release them as well. And hopefully be able to identify which species of shark that we have caught. Gonna say most likely it'll be a sandbar shark, possibly a bull shark, but I'm gonna go with more of a sandbar shark. That seems to be the typical that's around here. So stay tuned, guys. Remember, fingers crossed, we'll get something. Alrighty, viewers! Grandpa Matson came in. It's a blue! You got a blue!
Oh, it's a blue.
Look at it!
You want it?
Way to go! Let's check out the regulation on it real quick. Finally, something! We're gonna go check the regulation on this, guys. Double check the species. But as you can see, the blue of it, little blue fish, we're gonna look them up. Hang on. Guys, I'm ready! Woo! Ethan's got one! Ethan's going! Go, Ethan, go! Get him, Ethan! Oh, my husband's on too! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Oh man, we got two on! We got two on! Two on! Two on! Come on, Ethan! Woo! Got another blue over here! Oh, here comes Ethan! Finally, some live action! Let's go!
It's a blue fish. Wait, no, it's a bullet.
It's a blue fish! No!
That's not a blue fish.
Ethan got a ladyfish!
That's a huge one.
Ethan got a ladyfish!
Oh my God, it's huge.
Yeah, bring it up, bring it up, bring it up! Whoa! Way to go! We gotta get a picture! Hey! Oh, we all gotta do a picture! Look at the size of that ladyfish!
Is that your shark bait?
Shark bait, hoo-ha-ha!
Ooh, so
Look at
sweet.
the size of that ladyfish. He swallowed the hook.
Yeah, you put this small hook on and you gave me a variety hook.
Is that why you struggled? Is that your excuse? Wow, all of a sudden everybody hooked up, viewers. So exciting, I cannot believe it.
Now look at. Oh my God.
All right guys, I'm gonna put the phone down. We're gonna get everybody all cleaned up here. Okay viewers, so what we do have here is a bluefish. We got our fish regulation book right here. This is this fish species that they had caught. Now it needs to be 12 inches from the fork. So this is your fork. So you would measure from here to all the way here. And this one is legal size. Our other one was just shy about an inch, but this one is 14 inches from here to here. So this one we're gonna go ahead. We're gonna cut the gills, bleed it out, and see if we can get some more while the school is coming by. And hopefully we'll have a good dinner tonight. But yep, Make sure you always get a fishing regulations book. Walmart has them for free. You can get freshwater and saltwater. This is the saltwater one. We always try to get a new updated one every few months because we never know what new regulations come around. But yep, that right there is the species that we caught. And we're gonna keep on fishing, guys.
Some viewers may find this disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
So we're gonna need to bleed this guy out. Diver, you're gonna put the knife straight down in here.
So I just shove it?
No, 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 look. Wait, my finger's here. Wait a second, sweetie. You see this part right here?
No.
See this little white part right here? So you're gonna stick the knife straight down there, and then you're gonna pull the knife this way and cut that, and it'll bleed the fish out.
Okay, so like this?
Yep. Nope, push it all the way down. Stab it all the way through.
It is all the way.
Okay, and then you push it down and cut it. Slice it a little bit if you have to. Be careful, my hand's right here, sweetheart.
I know.
Alright, cut through. Push hard. Be careful. Do you need help? There you go, you're getting it. Stab it straight down. I think what you're doing, sweetie, is you're hitting the gill on the other side. You gotta go.
I am.
Wait. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna put the phone down. This is starting to get a little dangerous to help him out. I'm on the run, guys. Fisher's on. Fisher's on. I'm gonna try not to get you sick. Got another blue. It's helping Diver with his. Got another blue. There must be a school of them going by. Way to go. Oh yeah, that one's legal. So unfortunately, this bluefish has swallowed the hook, but luckily, at least he looks legal size right now for us to keep. Lay him down. Can you hold the one side? Go to the fork of the tail. Fork of the tail. Yes, this is 14, so it is well over the 12 inches. So we're gonna go ahead and bleed him out and add him to the bucket as well. The husband has got another one, ladies and gentlemen, and we are losing this son quite fast. Oh, he caught a catfish. Oh, that was exciting. I'm going back this way. You got poor little fishy over here getting ready to pass out. He's so tired. I was cuddling him and almost had him out until I heard somebody caught a fish. No, my poor baby. Hey, we're about to roll up out of here and head that way and try to see if we can get some blue crabs and stuff for the night.